the early mornings. Waking up at 5 a.m. to beat the heat. Or waking up to the inevitable cold. We wake up when others don't want to. It's easy to sleep in. It's easy to be comfortable. It's easy to want to call in sick to work. But we aren't made for easy. Whether it's cold, hot, dark, raining, snowing. We're there. It's humble work. It's honest work. You can see it on our hands. You can see it on our boots. Our smiles are a product of the endless hours of rewarding work. We show up and we step up. We do what others can't so they can live an easier life. We walk where others don't, where others can't. We take ideas on paper and bring them to life. We wear our pride branded on our chest. We are doing more than installing panels. We're installing the future. We are proud. Panels that capture more than just sunlight. They capture freedom. Freedom to take back what's ours. Freedom to choose our own path. We're trailblazers. We're on a mission to make a change. We're on a mission to make a difference. We're building more than just solar systems. We're building a brighter future. For our people. For our communities. For our families. For you.